Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. Welcome to our kitchen. Today I want to make a dill pickle dip. Sounds odd, but it's something I want to try. Dill pickle cream cheese dip. And football season, the fall season itself, you know, just something quick to grab and snack on. So let's get started. You're gonna see I already have one dip sitting over here. I've got a different vlog on it. We'll put a link to it so you can take a look and see how to make that delicious dip. But here, cream cheese dill pickle dip. That's what we have right here. And here I have 8 ounces of cream cheese that I've let come to room temperature. I'm just going to give it a good stir. Yeah, I'm using the same bowl that I used a while ago. That's alright. Ain't nothing wrong with that. One out and the other in, right? But let's get that stirred up really good. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 ounces of cream cheese in here. This is Daisy Light Sour Cream. I said cream cheese. Sour cream is what I mean. 2 ounces of sour cream. There we go. Daisy is my choice. You can use whatever you would like. If you want to replace that with some plain Greek yogurt, you can. But we're going to give this a stir. Now once you get this all mixed in together, you'll want to cover it and put it in your refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours. Overnight is definitely best. But there we go. We've got that all mixed up. Next on the list, we're going to add 2 cups of chopped dill pickles. No, I'm sorry, that's 1 cup. I'll be all right. I am a hot mess for all reasons unknown. But 1 cup of diced dill pickles. I know, but you know, if you eat a chip, the dill pickle chip, wouldn't this be kind of the same thing? Sort of? I think so. Alright. Now, in my little cup here, I've already got measured out 1 teaspoon of dill. I grow dill here at the home, and I dehydrate it. So this is 1 teaspoon of dill, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Yeah, it needs the salt. It really does. I know the dill pickles are salty, but it does need it. So we're going to pour that in there, and then we're going to pour about 1/3 cup of the juice off of your dill pickles. Just drain you some off of it. We're going to give that a stir. Just measure you out 1/3 cup, and then just pour it until it's the consistency that you want. I don't think it needs the full 1/3 cup myself, but you know, you may just do like a couple tablespoons and see instead. But that dill pickle juice that we put in here is the reason that it needs to go in the fridge covered up. And you know, this is good for a week. So, if it lasts that long. I'm going to see if I can get Tom to come in here. He is busy, but I'm going to see if I can get him to come in here and let's give this a taste. Hey, Tom?
Yeah.
Do you want to come in here and let's get a taste of this?
Sure.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. Okay. I've got some wavy potato chips over there that we're going to use to give this a taste with. If you want to just, I'm just going to turn it around this way. Oops. Like this, maybe.
Get you a wavy chip there, dear.
I never do care for the smell of potato chips when the bag is first opened. That I can tell you. Alrighty. I think I got too big of a potato chip or broken one or something.
It's alright, I just broke mine. It's okay. Let's see what we got here. Oh, that's good. I like that. Let me try that again, make sure.
Ooh. May I have one more? When you get that dill pickle in there, man, that is right on. I think maybe I might add just a wee bit more. Do you think it needs anything else added to it?
More potato chips, but you know, no, it's good. This is really good, y'all. I love it.
All right, that's it. It's that easy to make and that fast. This is great for an appetizer for your upcoming holiday season. Again, football season, anything like that. Just sit around and watch TV and eat a little snack. Quick, simple, delicious. But that's all there is to it. You all take care. We will see you next time. Bye.